Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trigger onboarding here in Zoho People. All right, in the last video, we talked about creating onboarding flow. Okay, so first up, for example, right here, we're trying to trigger an employee onboarding. Okay, so once the candidate onboarding is completed, the administrator or you basically can convert the candidate to employee. And upon conversion, the candidate will be added as a user in Zoho People. But you can go ahead and skip this process or the pre-onboarding process by just adding the users directly on your organization. Okay, just go ahead over to the top right here and click on settings. Now just click on manage accounts right here. Just basically add in users. Okay, could be via invitation, Zoho Mail, or Google Workspace, or 365. These are three right here, or these two were just invited. Okay, this one. So once they're invited, you can now go ahead and click on their profile, add in some roles. Okay, and also when you click on this option right here or section or icon, okay, it says here convert to employee profile or migrate to employee. Okay, hit on create, and he is now a part of your organization. Now, if you want this to be automated, you can go ahead over to operations right here at the bottom left. Okay, click on it. Now click on employee information. Now in here, what you'll do is find the tab employees. Okay, in here, you could also add employees. All right, so basically if you have a ton of people in here, you could go ahead and filter things out. Okay, like so, by employee ID or by first name, you name it. Okay, but you also have the option right here, which is onboarding. Okay, onboarding status. Okay, just go ahead and use the search bar and find onboarding. Okay, so once you filtered things out, you can now go ahead and select the people right here by using these checkboxes. Okay, you would want to select the employee's record from whom you would like to trigger the onboarding process. Let's say I want to select all three. Okay, as you can see here at the top, you now have trigger onboarding option. All right, so when you click on this one, employee onboarding is triggered for the selected employees. Okay, and it will be initiated on their date of joining. Employees right here should log into Zoho People to complete their onboarding process. So again, basically just click on trigger onboarding. All right, as you can see here, there's some error in my end. That is because onboarding cannot be triggered for admin. This is me right here. Onboarding has been triggered already. This means that these guys right here, or the other two, are already an employee. Okay, so yours will be different. It will just say success right here, and after that, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.